we see an electric vehicle for all of us. For the contractor, for the small business owner, for the fleet operator, for the next generation. We see something that is part of everyday life, for everyday America. And what was once just a lifestyle vehicle is now a pickup truck, a multi-purpose delivery vehicle, a new way to explore, entirely engineered by Canoo. For the first owner, the second, the third, the fourth. We see functional design, productivity, and affordability. We see cleaner air, more space, more return on investment. That's how we're building electric vehicles, for everyone.
Hi everyone. Categorized as a purpose-built electric vehicles, the Canoo truck is slated for both a single rear motor and dual motor configuration, the latter delivering more than 200 miles of range and up to 600 horsepower and 550 pound-feet of torque. Everything about the truck is engineered to maximize a surprising amount of modular storage and utility options hidden throughout its body. A frunk up front adds storage space for smaller items such as tools, with an expandable and illuminated work surface. Canoo seems fully aware those likely drawn to their electric truck design will be just as interested in functionality for city and suburban life as the van life adventures its adaptable modularity advertises. Our pickup truck is as strong as the toughest trucks out there and includes features for people who use trucks, on the job, weekend and adventure. As Tony Aquila, CEO and CEO of Canoo said, Canoo's a truck with a truly mid-size footprint with big truck adaptability and electric efficiency is an extremely exciting premise. The Los Angeles-based electric vehicle company plans to begin pre-sales by the end of the year, with manufacturing slated for somewhere in 2023.
This is designed for many different use cases. We design from the inside out and then the outside in. It's the size of a small pickup and has the payload of a full size.
This is amazing. I can tell you, I'm blown away.
And so I can do things like have a workbench. At the same time, maybe I want to put a camper shell on this and have access through the cabin to the cargo area.
I see so many different, unique consumer use cases in this vehicle.
Let me show you one use case that I think is pretty powerful. My tools can go in here and my batteries are charging automatically because this is a power plant, right? And so I got the ability to have a workbench here. So I have plugs, USB, mini USB, whatever you want. These are all accessorizable. And you could do that all day long and you wouldn't hit 10% of the battery life. Everything has multiple purposes, so the battery pack is designed to be upgraded, replaced, repaired. It's got 300 horsepower, nearly 300 pounds of torque, and I can put two of them in there. Down below, we have a set of other toolboxes or safety boxes. Helps me get access here. But let's just say I gotta go pick up, a sheet of plywood. Well, now I need an 8-foot bed. We have it so that I now have an 8-foot bed. And then, of course, I want to go back down to a 6-foot bed. Just put it away. We want to be clear, when the working person sees this, they go, I can have a better quality of life with this vehicle, and I can get a return on capital. You got to build something for the second owner. Why? Because you actually then care about the first owner, because he's going to be able to sell it for what it's worth. It's maximizing technology to allow for the utilization of space and make it for me.